Vivo will introduce Apex 2020 smartphone at MWC. MWC 2020, which will be held in Barcelona from February 24 to 27. Vivo sends invitations to the event, during which it will be present the Vivo Apex 2020 smartphone. Apex is a line of manufacturers' conceptual smartphones, the first device of which appeared in 2018. The original Vivo Apex was one of the first smartphones on the market to receive a retractable front camera. Apex 2019 was distinguished by the fact that it was deprived of ports and physical buttons. It was positioned as completely monolithic smartphone, but it did not enter the market. It is still unknown that the main feature of the Vivo Apex 2020 will be, but rumors indicated that the rounded edges of the screen as in Nex 3 and the lack of buttons with ports. Concept renderings reveals the curious design of the Vivo Apex 2020 smartphone. The famous designer Ben Jeskin has published a conceptual rendering of the smartphone Apex 2020, which this year may be announced by the Chinese company Vivo. It can be seen that the device will receive a display that bends to the side of the case. The screen most likely will be occupy 100% of the front surface of the case. A fingerprint scanner will be integrated directly into the display area. In addition, the front camera can be located behind the screen. Judging by the render, the main camera with the original design in the form of an annular block divided in two segments will be located in the back of the case. It is said that the presence of a 48 megapixel sensor and optical zoom. The smartphone will be able to function in 5G mobile networks. Finally, mention is made of support for fast wireless recharging. Of course, there are no guarantees that the Vivo Apex 2020 smartphone will look that way, but the presented render demonstrates a very curious approach to the design of smartphones. Other phone specifications, features, and price of the smartphone are not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.